In this video, I'll show you how to create Steam accounts on mobile. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end because I'm going to share my thoughts on everything you need to know. So go to your browser. I'm using my Chrome. Open up Chrome. Come on here, type in Steam. So I'm going to type it Steam. So this is it. So click on create a Steam account. So come on here, enter the details. So I'm going to enter for Tails Tutorials. I think that is my mail. So this is the both of them. So I'm going to click on I'm a human. Wait for it to open up. I'll click on this. Then I'll click on continue. Now this is where everybody faces some issues and problems. So I don't think you can be able to successfully do this if you're using your mobile. So in the next video, I'm going to show you I can be able to create a Steam account from a laptop or your PC. So it's not going to work out well for you if you're on your mobile, but please try creating your account on PC. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you all in the very next video.